In this video, we explain what Oxford Sidewalk restoration bonds are and how insurance agents can efficiently obtain them for their customers. A sidewalk restoration bond is a government-required surety bond that protects the public from financial harm if the bondholder violates the bond's provisions. The limit on the Oxford Sidewalk restoration bond must be equal to 110% of the estimated cost of the project. The bond is required for all persons seeking to cut up the concrete or asphalt of a sidewalk or street in Oxford, North Carolina, and is regulated by the City of Oxford. The bond serves as a prerequisite to obtaining a sidewalk restoration permit. The bond costs just $100 and no credit check is required. To avoid claims made against their bonds, permit holders must ensure that they restore all altered sidewalks and/or streets to their original conditions. Bond exchange makes obtaining surety bonds easy. Insurance agents need to simply log into their accounts and search our database to find their bonds. Don't have a login? Then enroll now by going to bondexchange.com and clicking on that big blue Get a Login button and let us help you satisfy your customers' needs.